Hey everyone, welcome back to Kanti Herbals. It's Rakshitha, your skincare enthusiast, and today we have something special for you. Are you tired of battling with pesky pimples and searching for a natural solution? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of Neem Face Pack and how it can be your secret weapon for clear, radiant skin. First, let us see what causes acne. Acne is usually caused by excess oil production. When your skin produces too much oil, it can clog pores and lead to acne. Clogged pores. Dead skin cells and bacteria can build up in your pores, causing them to become blocked and resulting in acne. Bacteria. Propionibacterium acnes is a type of bacteria that lives on your skin and can contribute to acne when it multiplies excessively. Inflammation. When pores become clogged, it can lead to inflammation, redness, and swelling, which are common characteristics of acne. Well, for all these problems, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the DIY Neem Face Pack, specially formulated for acne-prone skin. Neem has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its amazing skin benefits. It is packed with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that helps to reduce acne-causing bacteria and reduce redness and inflammation. Let's get started. Before applying Neem Face Pack, you need to follow pre-face pack steps to get amazing results. You can watch our pre-face pack secrets video where we have explained each steps in detail. I have pasted the video link in the description below. Now we'll show you the right way to apply the Neem Face Pack to get rid of pimples. Ingredients required. You'll need 2 tablespoons of Kanti Herbals neem powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or you can use wild turmeric powder also. Now let's prepare. Mix neem powder and turmeric with enough water or rose water to create a smooth paste. Make sure there is no lumps. Now our face pack is ready to apply. Apply the Neem Face Pack evenly on your face and neck. Leave the pack for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the neem to deeply penetrate your skin and work its wonders. Finally, rinse off the pack with lukewarm water, gently massaging it into your skin in circular motions. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Then apply moisturizer. Now you're left with refreshed, rejuvenated skin. Repeat this treatment twice a week for best results. Remember, consistency is key when dealing with acne-prone skin. But wait, there's more. Neem is not just confined to the face pack, it's a skincare superhero. We'll explore more DIY beauty hacks using neem in this series. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have any questions or want to share your own Neem Face Pack experiences? Drop us a comment below. Until next time, stay beautiful and stay natural.